All right, number 6. If a minus b over b equal to 3 over 7, which of the following must also be true? Okay, and we have all these answer choices. Okay, so for this one, it might be a little bit tricky to see where we begin with this. What we can do is we can try to rearrange this equation a little bit and try to see if we can match with one of the answer choices that we have. Okay, so what we could do is we can start with a cross multiply because we have fractions on each side of the equation. So we can go ahead and cross it over and multiply them diagonally. And the product of each cross should be the same. Okay, they should be equal to each other after we cross multiply. So we can say 7 times a minus b should equal to 3 times b, which is 3b. Right, 7 times a minus b equal to 3b. And now we can simplify this a little bit. We distribute the 7. We get 7a minus 7b equal to 3b. Okay. So far, nothing really looks like what we have. But if you go ahead and do a plus 7b here on both sides. Okay, so you get 7a equal to 3b plus 7b. You can combine like term. That'll give us 10b. All right. I think we're getting there, right? So if you try to match things up, see on A and B, we have like answer choice A and B, we have like A or B, A or B. So if we try to get it equal to that form, we could do, if you want A or B, we can divide by B on both sides. The B on the right, they will cancel. And we get 7A over B, which is like 7 times A over B pretty much. Should equal to 10. All right. And then if you want to get just A or B by itself, we can divide by 7. So we can cancel the 7 out there. So we get A over B equal to 10 over 7. That's what we have there. All right. And this does match with letter B here for question 6. Okay, so we know that have to be our answer. Okay, so for a question like this, we will just have to, try to simplify what we have, right? And then we go step by step. And sometimes it's helpful to take a peek at the answer choices and see if you want to match it in a certain form, we can try to get it into that form. Okay, so for this question, you could also do it in another way. If you think about in terms of the numbers, right, we have a minus b over b equal to 3 over 7. What we could say is if b is 7, okay, because we have 3 over 7, so 7 on the bottom. So let's just say if b equal to 7, then on the top, we have to get it to 3. So a minus b have to equal 3. Well, if b is 7, a had to be 10, right? 10 minus 7 will give us 3 on the top. Okay, so we can say like, then if b equal to 7, a had to be 10. Okay, so to make this equation work. Okay, but these are not the only number that could work. We could have a multiple of them, right? That could also work. But here, if a is 10, b is 7, right? Then if you check the answer choices, right? The only one that could work have to be b again, right? A or b is 10 over 7. Okay, so that will also match with the answer choice B.